Excellency, I want to ask you to close your ears for this negative impact, and we switch on serving our county. There are many things that we have done that are putting us, even last time we were with you in Senate, you saw the assembly is working. Your Excellency, I want to say, even when we were saying, Your Excellency, let's stretch our feet and move fast, nobody spoke about it during that impeachment time. But now, they are opportunists. Don't worry. What will fight for you, and will fight for us, and will give a better service for this county. Thank you.
Next year chiripoti chiko chosoka njiko soka buna chio mwako yo bono ekora abantu bogire baruri robosoku igaba libo office ba tenenete finance mbaje koleta nandi bale taiwa so mugavana for next year igo abakongumbore Nyamira
asekene yende vinda tari ebiro borimo njebune chairman ebinde we have gone through them ebinde tari na bya moisonde ebinde bino abire ko 2019 gocha so bana tore ese process yo komanya ngi abete ngakie ya of the right governor and the current governor na chibesa kia bana inji chigo tumeka keregento ngeche isko ase bono abantu abakuoga mono ekere tu abatagete batakonyeti bono rende ntutete ko kwaite account tutete ko rane account ya chokire abantu abatiga bachamo bateberania sama gosare toikaranse korwa yo irire besa ya serikali anyairani
ase ward ya
elimu ya kutosha. Waswahili husema tenda mema uende zako, usiangalie nyuma yale ambayo yanaongelewa na wale ambao labda wako na mipango yao. Kwa hivyo sisi kama waheshimiwa kutoka bunge letu la Nyamira tuko nyuma yako. Mipango yote ambayo umeweka mbele, ambayo tunaona inasaidia watu wetu, tutaisukuma pamoja na wewe ili tuhakikishe ya kwamba mambo yote ya Nyamira yako sawa. Asanteni.